Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about how to initialize an array in one line or single line, right? So the story till now is whatever we are doing till now is first step we were declaring an array like this, right? This is the first step. Then what we were doing? We were creating an array. It means array instantiation like this, right? After this step, what we were doing, we were initializing an array. This is what called initializing an array with custom values. So these three steps we were performing till now, three different steps. And after that, what will happen? An array will be created, and this array, this is what array object. This is array object, fine. And this a is pointing to this array object. And as you have set up the value a of 0 is equal to 10, it means at 0th index the value is 10. A of 1 is equal to 20, it means at first index the value is 20. A of 2 is equal to 30, it means at second index the value is 30. Is it clear? A of 2, A of 1, A of 0. This we have already discussed. Fine, so this is what the story till now. Now, you can declare, create and initialize an array in single line with below syntax. What is that syntax? The syntax is like this. You have to provide the data type name, then square brackets, then you have to provide the array name, and inside the curly braces you have to pass the value of elements that you want in array, right? So for example, you have done these three steps, right? So instead of these three steps, what can we do? What is the shortcut way? The shortcut way is this. Simple. What you are setting? 10, 20 and 30. These three values you are providing in your array. For the 0th index 10, for the first index 20, for the second index 30. Pass this in the curly braces. For the 0th index, what? 10, first index 20 and second index 30. Pass like this. This is what a shortcut way. In this case also you will get the same object. You will get same array object. See, this is what array object. Array object, right? And this is what index number 0, 1 and 2. And see the values 10, 20 and 30. And A is pointing to this. A is pointing to this. Is it clear? Fine. Now let's see the next. So now we have to see the shortcut way for declaring, creating and initializing multi-dimensional array. So I will take an example of the two-dimensional array. So we have already seen this, how to create the two-dimensional array and how to set the values. If you have not seen that lecture, please see our lecture how to create a multi-dimensional array. So you will get to know this thing. So what will happen? An object will be created like this. A is pointing to the parent array, and inside the parent array we have what? A of 0, which is pointing to one child array having 3 size, and the value is 10, 20, 30 because you are setting up here. See, 0 0 combination 10, 0 1 combination 20 and 0 2 combination 30. You are setting up the value, and A of 1 is pointing to what? Another child array which has the value 40, 50, 60. You are setting the value. See, this is A of 1 and here the index is 0. So 1 0 combination, see here, 1 0 combination 40, 1 1 combination 50 and 1 2 combination is equal to 60. So it becomes 40, 50, 60. It got initialized, the second child array, right? So this much is pretty much clear. We have already covered. So what is the shortcut way? The shortcut way is this. This is the shortcut way. So this is what? Int 2 square brackets A is equal to. So what you are doing first? This is your parent array, right? This is your parent array. Inside this you have two child array. So two child array like this. See, two child array. Two curly braces I have given. right? And then what is the first child array value? 10, 20, 30. Pass like this. And what is the second child array value? 40, 50, 60. This is what we have defined here. See this. This is what parent array, which has two arrays, and these are the values of two arrays. So it becomes array of arrays, right? So this is what the shortcut way to declare, create and initialize multidimensional array. I hope this much is clear to you. Now see, some points to remember. You have to remember these points. For example, the shortcut should be in one line. Like, what is the correct way? Whatever we have seen is the correct way. Everything is in one line. What if I will write like this? What if I will declare in the first line and I'm doing like this? A is equal to curly braces. I'm passing 10, 20, 30. What will happen in this case? The shortcut I have breaked into two lines, first and two lines, second line. So what will happen? Let us see. Where is, see, in the notepad itself I have created this array demo program in the previous lectures itself. So I am taking the example here itself because I want to compile this and I want to show you the proper error, compile error. It will definitely give you the compile time error. See how? So A is equal to what? I'm passing 10, 20, 30, and then save this. Go to the location where you have to go to the location where your file is saved, and you have to run the, the code for compilation, that is javac, the command for compilation, javac, then file name array demo dot java. Hit enter. See what is the error? Illegal start of expression. So you will get compile time error like what? Illegal start of expression. It is not allowed. If you are using this shortcut, you have to take care that everything should be in single line, not in multi lines. If you will use in multi lines, you will get this compile time error, right? Illegal start of expression. Now another example. Now I will go to the Eclipse. I want to show one example to you, one good example to you. So this is my, what is this? This is my array demo class in Eclipse. Okay. So what I want to show in single line, how can I do? Int array A is equal to 10, 20, 30. Fine. And then I want to print this array values. I want to see whether it is stored in it or not. I want to confirm this, right? So sys.out.println, then we have one class. The class name is arrays, and this arrays class is present in which package? It is present in java.util package. So you have to, what you have to do, see, after the arrays you have to use control space. A suggestion will come. You have to select this java.util dot arrays. So it got imported here, right? Now inside this class there is one method, that is toString method. toString. So this toString for everything, like for boolean also present, for byte also, char also, double also, float also, int also, long, object, short, for everything it is present. So my array is of which type? Int type. So I have to select this one, right? Int. So it will automatically populate. It will see, okay, which array has the reference of int type. So A is present here. So you have to pass this A inside this method as a parameter. Now right click, run as what? Java application. See, you got the output 10, 20, 30. Is it clear to you? Now this is the way. Okay. Now let's go to our slides. So in this I have taken some another example, like the values are only different but the concept is same. 40, 50 and 60. So I got the output as 40, 50 and 60. So now it is clear. I have shown you on the console also that the values are stored in this array. So I'm printing this. So what is this array.toString method. What is this arrays.toString method? It will return a string representation of the contents of the specified array. And what parameter you have to pass in this method? The array whose string representation to return. Means in this case, in this example, I have this array, and a is what? Reference of that array. So I have to pass this a as a parameter to this toString method. Then only it will return me what? A string representation of the array. Fine, a string representation. This is the use of arrays.toString method. Fine. So this is all about this lecture. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel to get further updates.